What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in on today's video. So we're with BR Ice, and we're doing a
in the B garage.
in the B garage right now. So yeah, he just bought this project car right here, and we're doing the Valentina, right? Valentine, something like that. The Valentine. Valenti. Oh, okay, Valenti. Those are the sequential LED taillights, like the new BRZs and new stuff like that. Huh? These are better. Oh, so far the install has been pretty easy. It's just a matter of 4 bolts. There's a couple of how-tos to do that. We're not really gonna do a how-to on that, but 4 bolts, little plucking from this little plastic thing that holds the cables there. Rip the M-tape.
That's not even M-tape, dude.
I don't even. Yeah, you're right. It's like, yeah. So actually, this is not an original color. If you guys know, this is actually red at first, and the color is good. It's just a little bit misaligned. I don't know if you guys could see that in the beginning. Actually, this car was involved in a very nasty accident and hit Rudolph. No joke. It actually hit a deer. Oh, you see, there's some little bit of imperfections. This car was originally red. There's a little bit of drip right there. Needs less drip. Let me get a good view of those lights, man.
Yeah, what is it here? Valenti.
Look at the sequentials right there. It's for LED. Oh, and it's also in a carbon fiber finish, dude. That is sick. That is awesome.
No, I need a carbon fiber wing.
This vlog just got even more interesting. We're actually gonna do the intake removal, right? Yeah. No, we're not gonna do the full intake. Just the box. The box part. Okay. We want to hear that. And then actually we're gonna go for a couple runs to see the horsepower gains from the sequential lights, right, bro?
Yeah. Right here, bro. Drift machine.
There's the drift machine right there. Actually, this is the drift machine. This is the one that inspires a lot of confidence.
Yeah. A bit too much confidence sometimes.
They're a perfect fit, right? I spoke too soon. Okay, so they do fit, bro.
Yeah.
Just gotta make sure that the bolts,
bolts
everything aligned and everything like that. But aside from that, it looks really good. Do you remember the installation on my car for the intake? We literally could not do it.
Dude, we took like
2 hours.
And no, the entire day.
No, like
we were missing so many parts.
And I had to go to class, and it wasn't even properly like done. No.
I know I was taking, like, it was so hard to put on.
Whose man's? What happened?
One of the cables is right behind for big thrust. Yeah, hold.
Alright.
Push it in.
Yeah, you should be that one guy that just rides with a really clean like headlight, and the other one is just spooky like stock.
Yeah. Nah. God, that changes the entire car, dude.
So a little bit about this car in particular. This is the 2013 FRS. You know, BR Ice wanted to get a project car. More of a beater car for now. He wanted to get either a Miata FRS or something in that nature, those small cars that are just very, you know, nimble and fun to use. And he went ahead and bought this one. The tan color here is actually from the owner of the car that had it before. Now this is the Desert Tan. I believe that's what they call it, Desert Tan. This was owned by a Marine, so I can totally see where the theme is coming from. And so he just bought this car about, what, 2 weeks ago, right? 2 weeks ago. It's actually been kind of a crazy ride. You know, the battery came a little bit shitty. You know, turned off a couple times here and then, but now it's working great. As you can see, we started modifying it. You know, he wanted to get the tail lights because they're essential with these cars, especially the 2013 one. That the tail light doesn't look as fresh, and even the headlights in the front too. He's gonna swap them too. So we'll keep you posted on that vlog for another day, but let's just appreciate these taillights, man. They're so nice. And the carbon fiber finish, man, that's even... Yeah. Did you even know that they came in carbon fiber?
Why is it not doing the...
Yeah, I was about to say that. It's supposed to be like... Rip, rip. Do you feel shafted? Well, the exhaust is good, though. Gotta admit, the exhaust sounds pretty good.
On is what?
Are you sure everything is on?
Always on, right?
Yes. Well, the good thing is that they look super good still.
Yep.
but needs more sequentiality.
What is it?
I don't think that's a word.
When you press the brake?
Maybe that could. No,
Nothing comes on.
not on the bottom part. It's just a red strip on the top. Do you feel betrayed?
Oh.
Oh, there you go. There you go, buddy. We're about to be like, yo, refund me right now.
That was just there, like extra.
Are you done with the?
But what happens if I just? Did they go fast?
Yeah. So the reason why it's doing that, quick little flickering and, not even completing the cycle is because one of the turning signal bulbs is completely AWOL. The owner said, yeah, fuck it, weight reduction, I don't need anybody to know my next move type stuff.
Look at that cable. The rip.
Literally.
Why? Like what goes in your mind there? I don't know what to disconnect.
All right, part 2. We're gonna remove the box here in hopes that we hear more intake sound. You're actually missing a screw here, so that's gonna be a lot easier to take off.
But we have to go inside the house
Why?
to get this through.
Bryce was telling me that he wants to wrap the car in purple or some exotic color like that, which sounds like a good idea. I'm totally for it. I mean, it's his car, but I really like this uniqueness of this desert tan color. Oh, and he took it off completely. And this is the one that we took off. Looks nice, red. Matches the old paint.
The old paint.
Oh, you taking the whole box out.
Yeah, I have to.
So I was just saying that you want to actually wrap this
Purple.
in purple. You wouldn't leave it desert brown, like this desert tan? Now, but what has to be done though, for sure, dude, is the alignment of the whole car. Like how the bumpers align with the rest of the car. Because here, there's a bunch of space here. Oh my god.
There was no time properly.
Oh, okay. The fan is broken too.
Oh, but
bruh.
then this is a piece of shit.
Maybe you just need a new one, like the new assembly here.
Yeah, should we take out the bumper?
Right now. Are you really about that action?
Is it hard?
Bro, I have no idea how your car works.
Because there's 2 bolts and missing 1, 2, 3, 4.
Dude, this guy literally you so hard.
Yeah, that was making fun of me yesterday. I was like, did that guy take a picture of you when he saw the car? We tried just putting 3M tape.
3M tape. This?
Yeah, let me try to find like.
Because maybe what it is just it's supposed to lock in there.
Yeah.
And then it just fell out when I don't know.
I gotta find
The key, boy.
Yeah. Oh, is that thing dead? No, it's not. You have this perfect shape here.
Yeah, it doesn't look burnt or anything. The lies. The lies.
Super. Why is it not going in?
That's what she said. Okay, so update. We're gonna remove the bumper right now because he said it's quote unquote fun. I don't know anybody that thinks like that, bro. But crazy how we went from a taillight installation to an entire bumper removal.
Try to push it.
Up?
Did you let him eat her food?
Huh?
He's having like explosive diarrhea.
What the
Hola.
I left every shit on the floor for you to pick up and for you to vacuum and mop, and I moved his nasty, full of shit bed outside for you to rinse, okay?
But Gabby, we're gonna be here for a while, so wouldn't that be bad for the wood?
I don't care. I'm not the one that left them loose.
This. So we got this little monster.
I've already do. Oh, there's one more.
Inside?
Oh, this one is off, but this one doesn't move.
So it didn't even come with another. Hello. She hates me. Hella, come. Hella, come.
Hey, come here.
Come. Gabby, she can go in, right? She can go in? Hella. Hella, come. Oh, and there's the beast. It's actually funny. That's partially the daily weekend, and that's partially the daily weekend, or sometimes, right?
It's just like,
This is like an awkward car, man.
yeah.
So, okay, what was the point of removing the bumper? Just to do it, or
Yeah, I don't know.
this curiosity, bro?
Curiosity, kill the cat.
This. Yo, honestly, do you want to drive without it?
Yeah.
Dude, you kind of make me want to get an FRS now. Literally just to f around. You know what? You know what was funny too? Now going back to the color thing, when we actually went to go see the car, he was like bragging about it. He's like, "Yeah, bro, this is all painted," and we're like, "Ooh, why would you flex that though?
Like, bro, I paid 2K for this.
Why would you flex that though? Just wrap it, bro."
Yeah. Think it's easy.
What the?
HID. Like taking all this mess out, dude.
Bro, I would wait until you actually do the installation of the new headlights, and you just take the whole system out. The Corolla was the same way. I actually had a Corolla before the Camaro, and I low-key missed that car for a daily driver because daily driving, the Camaro sucks. Demasiado gas. It's not probably the line because maybe there's not enough bolts because you said there were some missing bolts, right?
Yeah, I don't know.
Well, maybe the because it's not tense and firm, it's opening up.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Well, now you know how the bumper works, and when you do the headlight installation, now you'll have an idea. All right, so the bumper's on now, and we're just gonna put on the cold air intake. Well, it's actually not gonna be so cold air anymore. We just took off the cover part of that. All right, so after about 2 hours or so of working on the car, we're ready to take off. We finished the tail lights, what we originally were intending to do with the video, and then it turns into this whole thing. But they look awesome. It looks like a brand new car, honestly. But if this was an honest, like, just tail light only day, it would have taken us less than 30 minutes, for sure. We're gonna go pick up the last bulbs for the turning signals up front because, you know, you kind of need to have that. So Valenti, whatever, thank you so much for making the car look so good. Now people in Miami will probably use their turning signals a lot more. Give me an exhaust clip, bro. That looks so good.
Anyway, it sounds weird.
Dude. Go. Sounds how it should.
Yeah.
That is awesome. So everything is good. Taillights work. Looks good, but the gap is just so bad in the front. This is why. So we were just at the Advanced Auto Zone, and they said that they recommend going to the dealer to get the lights because of something about universal lights. Guys, thank you for watching the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it, found it entertaining, maybe a little bit informative, I don't know, but thank you guys for tuning in on the video. And here's some clips of the car with the tail lights and the sequentials in action, and of course some pulls in the Camaro. So guys, thanks again for watching and enjoy these clips.